Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating a minimal project and exporting a sample XML so you can read the structure. This gives you the ID, layer tags, and timing nodes you'll edit. Open the sample with a text editor that preserves encoding. Once you have the file, locate the composition and layer blocks to understand where transforms, keyframes, and assets live. Make a copy-named project base. XML so you won't overwrite your working sample. Now you directly edit layer blocks. Change position, scale, rotation, and opacity numerically so values are deterministic. You'll avoid UI imprecision. When adding motion, insert keyframe time equals 1,234 entries and specify interpolation, linear for constant speed, cubic Bezier for eased motion. Make sure each new keyframe references the correct layer ID. If you update an asset, change the asset SRC path and its ID references so the composition still links correctly. Finish by saving your edited file with UTF-8 encoding and import it back into Alight Motion to verify timing, easing, and assets. This confirms the app parses your nodes. If playback fails, search for mismatched ID or wrong time units. Alight Motion expects milliseconds. Once validated, increment the file name to preserve a working history. If problems persist, revert to the base file and reapply changes in smaller batches to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.